we're off to go see the first place that might be the new shop. I'm super excited to show you some of the places that we're looking at for the wrap shop. So I'll be able to do this in the next place, which is awesome so I can grow. Anyway, you guys gave me good feedback on the last video where I was talking about the shop. So there's two places we're going to look at today. The first one I was able to film quite a bit and I was able to talk quite a bit, and because the place was empty. So I was able to, go anywhere I wanted to. The second place, I wasn't really able to film too much because the person's not out of that place yet and they're not really using it, but I was able to take the pictures offline and I basically filmed what was there online. So the two places, one is 3,000 square foot. The second one is 2,400 square foot. And so the shop space is, the first place is 1,000 up front, 2,000 warehouse. The second place is 800 and 1,600 warehouse. So yes, the first one is quite a bit larger. They're about the same price. One's newer. The second one is newer than the other one, than the first one. Here's the first one. I was able to talk quite a bit in this one, and I'm going to have to do a voiceover for the second one. All right, so here's the first place. Walking inside, it's a little, probably would need some paint, but this is like an entryway. And I could have a bunch of parts inside here. There is 4 offices, which I really don't need. But, it's nice to have some offices. There's 2 bathrooms. This is another office, and I can use these to cut up material and keep it in here out of the garage side. But the garage is huge. So let me show you the garage. Second bathroom. Use one as like a break room or whatever. This wall I could even knock down and have an area into here even, because this is 3,000 square foot. So 1,000 is it up here in the offices, and then 2,000 is in the warehouse. Let me show you the warehouse. It's kind of nice. Opens wide open into the warehouse area. Obviously one garage door bay there, and this is pretty big. So I'm standing up against this wall here, and I can fit easily 3 to 4 cars on that side angled, or one there, one here, one there, one there, and still put another car right there. It does have heat and AC, it looks like. A little older than what I was thinking, but this first one. We're still waiting on some others. Don't know what's going on here. That looks like some water damage or something, I'm not sure. But the lighting situation, I don't even know what that did. I pulled the light switch, but nothing turned off. The lighting situation is bad. I would have to add some more lights. Maybe those hex lights kind of hovering over 4 areas. But let me show you the back outside. So you pull in through the back here, and then one garage bay. You're fine. It's my realtor's there. He's my neighbor. If you're looking for any house in the area, I'll have his link information down below. But this is kind of older. Another one we're looking at is right over there. We're waiting for them to reach out to us. Commercial real estate is a little slower than residential. We're kind of on their time. But I don't know. Got good parking back here. I don't know. What do you think? Let's look at the next one. So on to the second one. This is actually right behind the first one, same area. This is where, I'm in Mooresville, North Carolina, so this is where NASCAR is. A lot of the race shops are in this area, and really easy to get to off of the highway, which is really nice. So the warehouse is a little bit smaller, 1,600 square foot versus 2,000 on the other one. But this is a lot newer. So I don't have to do as much to this one. But just a little bit narrower and a little bit shorter. So I could probably only fit 4 cars in this one versus easily 6 in the other one. So the other one would scale better. Up front, this one had only 2 offices up front, a bathroom with a shower, which is kind of weird, and a little, had a place for coffee and some cabinets and things like that. But also a reception area, which this one had nicer materials inside. It had a tile floor instead of a peel and stick. The carpet was really good. This is just a little bit newer. The other one was built in '99. This one was built in 2007 or 2008, I believe. So a little bit more updated. A little less parking with this one, but I think it could work still. Just not much room to scale. The best thing about this one is they're a little bit more flexible, not on the price, but flexible on the terms. So I can do a 1-year lease, 2-year lease, 3-year lease, whatever I wanted to. The other one is a little bit longer lease, but more room to grow, you know, so hire employees, grow bigger, and offer more products there as well. So after seeing the two, which one do you like best? Leave those comments down below. I value your opinion. But of course, it is up to me and my family what we pick, what works best for us, and you know what. Obviously, we see it more than what you're seeing it. So hopefully, more pop up so we can see those. But this is the only two right now. There's not much available here in Mooresville area, and it is kind of expensive. But hopefully, we can get in there as fast as possible because I am pretty booked up. Easily fill the places. If you're interested in any wraps, there's an email down below. Hit me up. And I've got a couple more wraps, my 100th wrap video that should be up later this week. And also this one will be up eventually too. This is a satin black Model Y, but there's a lot of cool stuff to it. I also took your advice from the last video. I'm actually showing more of the customer's reaction and what they thought about it instead of just the wrap. You guys see in the wrap. It's cool to see the wrap, of course. You guys aren't looking to be wrap installers, so you guys want to see more of the customer's reaction and the cool wrap when it's all done. So actually saves a little bit of time in filming too. And so thank you everyone for watching, and I don't know why I'm pausing between every word. Stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. See you.